Great Wolf Lodge in Colorado Springs. Hopefully you can hear me okay. We are in the water park. So we got here right around 1 in the afternoon and our room is not ready yet, but I got us all checked in, and thankfully you can come utilize the water park right when you get here. So we are checking this awesome place out. Our son Tommy is already hitting up the slides and the wave pool, but this place looks amazing. So we're just gonna have fun here for a few hours until our room's ready, and then we'll go get unpacked and check out our room. Okay, we just found out that our room's ready, so we came to check it out. This is really cool, so I want to give you guys a quick peek at this room. We got a microwave, which online it said that microwaves were available by the ice machines, but this is awesome. We actually have one in our room. We have a little coffee maker, fridge. This is kind of the entry hallway. We got a closet with a Tommy boy. And then the bathroom. Ooh, this is nice. There's the shower, vanity, and a little toilet area. And then this is the Wolf Den or Pup Den Suite. I'll put it down in the description of the video, but check this out. You got Wiley's Den for the kids. Is this not the coolest hotel room you've ever seen? We have a little window into the little Wiley's Den for the kids. Look at this, Tommy. Bunk beds.
I caught up. Wait, and I get a TV.
Oh, look at that.
This is all mine.
TV for the kiddos. Look at that. All of the little Great Wolf Lodge characters are on the walls. What do you think, Tommy? That's cool, huh?
I love this so much. It's so much better than every hotel I've ever been to.
We got our main TV. There's a wolf on the wall. And this is the queen bed. This is the queen bed. I was hoping this room would come with a king bed for us, but it's a queen. And then we also got the balcony. Tommy, pull that curtain open.
Okay.
Look at that. With a view of the mountains. Again, we're at the Colorado Springs location, so we got the Rockies right out there. And that is it. We'll go out in a little bit and I'll show you, but that is a really nice size balcony with a couple chairs and table out there. So that's the room. Back up and give you a bigger view. This is awesome. Hopefully the lighting's okay. It's mid-afternoon, so. explored our room. We got all of our luggage in, did a little unpacking. I did the self check-in and didn't realize that if you do that, you don't get all of the stuff that is included in your packages if you added any packages to the reservation before your stay. So I had to go down to the front desk to get all of our things. We got all of our passes, our vouchers, and then we came back up to the room so Alora could take her afternoon nap. And now it's almost 5. She's up from her nap. We are gonna go find some dinner, and then we'll see what else we can get into tonight.
Okay, guys, so yeah, we just got Alora up from her nap, and we're probably gonna go get some dinner or something, and we'll see what's gonna happen after that. And we're just like chilling so far, so yeah.
All right, dinner was really good. We ate at Barnwood. Alora and I just came back to the room. Joshua took Tommy to the water park. So it's a little after 6 and the water park is open until 8 tonight. So they went back there. We came back to the room. We're gonna get on our swimsuits and we're gonna go enjoy the water park and probably close it down. And that'll probably end our first day here at the lodge. It has been awesome so far. So let's go get a little more water park time in. From Great Wolf in Colorado Springs. It is our second day here and it is just beautiful. Outside looks really cold. There's definitely snow still on the ground, really cold, but we are staying in this beautiful lodge today. We woke up, we went and had some breakfast at the Loose Moose. They do a really good breakfast buffet. It was delicious. And then we went back to the room, got our swimsuits on, and we are going to go head over to the water park again for a while, and then we'll see what else we want to do today. There's so much to do here. Hopefully we have a chance to do some of the other stuff, but the water park is certainly a hit for our family. We are just loving that. So gonna spend some more time there. The guys are in the gift shop checking that out right now before we head over. we just spent the morning after breakfast in the water park again. That water park is so much fun. We're gonna head back to the room and get cleaned up a little bit, showers, baths, and then get kind of, we're not getting super dressed up, but we're gonna get kind of just in normal clothes, a nice-ish outfit for our Thanksgiving meal. Here at the lodge at the Loose Moose Family Kitchen is the restaurant where they have a Thanksgiving buffet. So that's how we're gonna be celebrating our Thanksgiving today, eating a nice Thanksgiving buffet. So we're gonna go get cleaned up for that. And then I wanted to ask Tommy what his favorite part of the water park was. All right, Tommy, what's been your favorite part of the water park?
There's a lot of my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. My first favorite has to be the wave pool because it's like really fun. My second favorite has to be the racers because there's this fastest to smallest. I don't really know why it's called racers, but there's also my other favorite is probably the blue one because the blue one's really fun.
The blue slide?
Yeah, the blue slide because it's like really fast. And then I think I like the basketball court a lot because I was making a lot of dunks in there.
Nice, yeah, basketball court in the water, huh?
It was kind of hard to dribble because it's water, but I like dribbled it and I just like dunked it in.
Nice.
But yeah, that's my experience of it. I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
We are wrapping up our last day here at Great Wolf. We got you see that big chubby bear back there?
Yeah.
But we have to head out early in the morning tomorrow, so we're gonna go get some sleep. And we had a lot of fun. Did you love being here? Yeah, I think we decided we need to try to come again just because there's a lot to do, and we did not do hardly all of what could be done. This has been super awesome, and we hope you guys enjoy the video, and let me know if you have questions below. Let us know if you guys are planning to go to a Great Wolf Lodge or if you've been to one before. All right, we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.
In the comments. Oh, hi. Like and subscribe.